Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts on this video on a comment below. Welcome guys to the amazing Culmenar Natural Spring Resort, located at Barangay Tambo in Dong, Cavite. The resort operates 24/7 with an entry of also reasonable room rates if you want to stay overnight. Please visit their official Facebook page, Culmenar Natural Spring Resort, for more information about room rates, cottages prices, and their nighttime entrance fee. The resort welcomes you with a beautiful landscape. Every corner is undeniably picture-worthy. Above all, the resort is surprisingly affordable. Please stay tuned, guys, and enjoy watching as I tour you all over the area of the resort. For just a 3 to 4 hours drive, you can now get away from the noisy, crowded and polluted urban Metro Manila with Cavite's own version of Santorini. With their huge swimming pool, you can enjoy the crystal clear and very cold water coming from the natural spring in the area. You can enjoy swimming at the pool until 5 in the afternoon. However, if you want to extend your date away, you can avail their overnight rate and enjoy the resort all night out. The pool has a depth ranging from 4 up to 8 meters. Equipped with a diving boards,